All right, good afternoon, team. What we're getting ready to do is actually show you how to walk through the two-factor authentication process for your email and server in order for you to have access at home, okay? So you should have received this email from me earlier today that has this information on how you actually complete the process. Right in the middle of the email, you'll notice it says action items, okay? So what we're gonna do is go ahead to step 1 where it says complete the profile setup steps listed here. Once we click on that, and I have my wonderful volunteer, Monica, working with me, we are going to actually pull up this next web browser, and right at the middle section, it says step 1. You're gonna click here to gain access to the Authenticator, okay? Now, once this page comes up, you'll notice that there's 2 orange boxes. You'll click the box that says, click here to set up your profile. We'll give that some time to load. All right, so now that we've reached here, we're gonna go ahead to the top left where it says security info, add method. We're gonna click the add method button. All right, so once that comes up, we're going to click add. All right, so we're gonna stop right here just for a second on the computer. Now this is where your cell phone comes in. Now the Authenticator works for both iPhone and Android users, so Monica is gonna go ahead to her Apple Store and download the Microsoft Authenticator. Okay, so she's gonna go to her search, and then she's gonna type in Microsoft Authenticator. And it comes right up. All right, so once she downloads the actual Microsoft Authenticator, she's typing in her information. We're gonna log into the mobile app so we can actually sync both your computer information from HISD to your actual phone. Now remember team, this process is so you can actually gain access to all of your regular programs that you utilize at home from the network, okay? Now, once she goes to her phone, she logs into the actual app, it's gonna ask her to sign in after she clicks the agree tab at the bottom. After she clicks agree, it's gonna say sign in using Microsoft, or she's gonna click QR scan code. Now, that's where we actually go back to the computer. Now that we're at start getting the app, we're gonna click on next. Then it's gonna say set up your account. You're gonna click work or school. Now, we have the actual QR code on the actual screen. Now we're gonna go here and click QR code. Then we're gonna allow access on our phone. And then we're gonna actually scan the QR code from the screen, okay? Now that we've scanned the QR code from the screen, it should register on her phone that she has an HISD account connected to her phone through the Authenticator, okay? Now, we're gonna go ahead and click next on the computer. Now that she has clicked next on the computer, it says, let's try it out. It should prompt her phone to actually say approve sign in. She's going to actually approve it because that is her email handle. So go ahead and click approve. Now that she's clicked approve on her phone, it says the Microsoft Authenticator has been approved, okay? So now we're gonna click next. Now, we're down to the final stages. Here now it says security info. So with security info, she's gonna click the add method button on her computer. Now, the way we're going to actually authenticate, or you will authenticate each time you log on from home, you're gonna actually choose the phone option where the drop-down menu is. So change it from Authenticator app to phone and then click add. All right, now it's gonna ask you here to please type in your actual area code and telephone number. Now, you have 2 options, text me a code or call me. We prefer that you actually send a code to yourself, so leave it at text me a code. Click next. Now, once that happens, The Authenticator should prompt a 6-digit number that goes to your cell phone, in which Monica is typing in right now. Okay? Now, once she types that in here, she's going to click Next.
Yeah.
All right? Now that she's clicked that, it's going to approve, and it says SMS verify your phone has been officially registered successfully. And you can click Done. Now the process has been complete in registering your phone with the Authenticator software. Now the last piece that it recommends that you do according to the email is shut down your computer, restart it, and then log into Office 365, which is your mail. All right, and that's the close of this video. Hopefully this helps.